Air India has commenced a $400 million retrofit program for its legacy aircraft to ensure consistent experience across the fleet.
Our retrofit program reaffirms our focus on delivering a world-class product as we endeavor to become one of the best airlines in the world. We want to deliver a consistent product and service experience to all our customers across the network.
The completion of the first narrow-body prototype, retrofitted at the Airworks MRO in Hosur, is the beginning of the retrofit program of the entire legacy narrow-body aircraft. In all, 27 A320neo aircraft will be retrofitted by the third quarter of this year.
This retrofit program isn't just about upgrades, it's about enhancing what passengers can experience. All these aircraft will have 3 class cabins, business, premium economy, and modern amenities.